I'm not mad with the police at all. I ain't upset with you. Your job is to catch me. My job is to not get caught. That's my job. I respect it. I'm in the game. I respect the game. I accept the consequences that come with this life. To provide for my family, it's kind of heroic in a sense. If you come from a poverty-stricken environment, you know.
What we do ain't they business, that for nobody to know. Ain't chasing out the bitches, ain't fucking with these hoes. If you kept it real, they didn't. And to me, that mean the most. Now we need
YouTube. It's your boy ItzCjTV, and I'm back again with another fucking video, man. So y'all know what the fuck going on, man. As y'all see from the title and the thumbnail, it was a car that smacked a semi truck, y'all. Like, is y'all serious? A fucking semi truck, man. Well, I don't want to let you guys just listen to me all day. I know y'all want to see the video or whatever, but make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, you feel me? We jumping all bangers all 2022, man. We gonna try and stay active for y'all, you feel me? I just need y'all to stay active for me too, you feel me? Oh man, this was a rental. Dude had the semi truck, man. The VC. Oh, I'm about to go look at the semi truck. Oh man. Oh man. What's wrong with you? Oh man. Dude smacked the semi truck, and that's a rental. Oh man, where he smacked that, and I just ran over all that shit. Let me look at my tire pressure, make sure my tire pressure ain't going down. Cause damn, dude smacked the semi truck. What's wrong with dude? Oh man. Dude, crazy. But I'm not about to go all the way out until I might just do a U-turn and go back. I'm gonna follow. Well, you know. There's that one super fast Hellcat. That one super fast Hellcat. Shit! Shit! No, I'm about to tell you.